If you have a Medicare supplement plan, you are supplementing original Medicare, what you get from the government. You're saying, hey, the government gives me A and B, I pay for it, and it's got a lot of holes in it, so I'm gonna buy a supplement plan to plug those holes. So you have good wraparound coverage. But if you go private Medicare and you buy a Medicare Advantage, a PPO or an HMO plan, that's private Medicare. It has holes too. So how do you plug those holes? And the answer is with hospital indemnity insurance, critical illness, cancer plans. So how does that work? So your Medicare Advantage plan typically has a 0 monthly premium. About 70% of the country has access to a $0 a month Medicare Advantage plan. But if you go to the hospital, the $0 is great. Everybody loves that $0, right? But if you go to the hospital, your plan, depending on the plan you buy, might have a copay of $200, $300, $400 or more per day. And then your plan might charge you that copay for 3 days, 5 days, 7 days. It depends on what plan you bought. So if you're in the hospital for 10 days, you could be out several $1,000s, which could be hard for you to come up with. So hospital indemnity insurance fills the holes, and that's one of the holes in Medicare Advantage, is that inpatient copay. Also, your plan might have a copay for an ambulance, and it might have copays for cancer, and depends on what you want to buy. With hospital indemnity insurance, typically you're trying to cover the hospital admission, and you choose the benefit you want to buy. So this is a $500 benefit. You could say, how much if I'm admitted to the hospital? I want $250 a day for day 3. You figure out what you want to buy. It's guaranteed. So everybody can get it, and you can get it any time of year. So if you're just watching this video right now, you can be like, makes sense. I am nervous about the out-of-pocket maximum on my Medicare Advantage. It's going to be $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, could be $10,000 if you're out of network. And I would like some insurance against that little surprise in case I did get cancer, typically. So you get to pick what kind of benefit you want. You could say, I just want a little one. I want to spend $25 a month. And I want to have, so if I do go into the hospital overnight, it's going to just help me. It's not going to pay for all of it, but it might pay for half of that copay that I would have to pay. You build your own policy. The price depends on what you build. Did you put an ambulance coverage? Did you put in cancer, lump sum cancer? What did you build? But if you just got, about half your inpatient copay, I'd say the average hospital indemnity plan that we sell is about $30 a month. Okay? $30 a month. Your Medicare Advantage plan typically has 0 monthly premium. So I know you can afford that $30 a month because you typically came from a Medicare supplement that was costing you over $180 a month, right? So think of that hospital indemnity plan as a necessary, wrap around your private Medicare plan, as this fills the holes in your Medicare Advantage plan. Again, we sell it for lots and lots of different companies. So depends on what county you live in, what state. If we'd recommend Medico, which are my favorites, or Mutual of Omaha, very good, or Equitable, or on and on and on. Lots of companies offer hospital indemnity plans. So that's why I said the price is going to be contingent upon where you live and how big a benefit you want to buy. But I think that everybody that has a Medicare Advantage plan should have some hospital indemnity insurance. You're going to go, well, why didn't my agent talk to me about that then? Fatigue. Because when we were talking to you about Medicare A and B and should you have a supplement or Advantage and how the drug plan works, by the time you're done, it's been an hour and a half, 2 hours, you're tired, we're tired. And then to say, hey, let's talk about another whole subject, you don't really welcome that at that point. So this is a conversation that you can have later because you can buy it at any time of year. There's no deadline like there is that hard December 7th deadline to buy a Medicare Advantage or change your drug plan. You can buy hospital indemnity at any time of year. It's something you should consider. If you want us to give you some price quotes based on where you live, give us a call, book an appointment on our website. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.